Hello everybody, this is a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G with some first impressions. So let us open the box first. So move the labels here. What is included? Of course we will have the phone first with 6.5 inches. And then we have here the SIM injection tool, and we have here some manuals included. And we have the double-sided USB-C cable. But we have no power charging adapter here. So if you want to have a power charging adapter and if you want to use this cable here you need a power charging adapter with USB Type-C as plug-in. By the way, we have also no headset included here, and also very important, if you want to buy a headset, you have no headphone jack anymore. So if you want to buy a headset, you can just buy a wireless headset like this one, or you can buy a headset here with a USB Type-C connector, or you buy an adapter like this here, separated. It's like $10 or something like this. Yeah, let's have a look here a bit at the interface. We have very nice tools like blue light filter. We have a dark mode here, very useful for the eyes, especially in the evening. We have a torch here. We have a screen recorder if we want to make videos with our actions here on the screen. We can make screenshots and so on. We have a very nice power saving mode. This extend the duration of the battery for 3 times. So a very useful tool, and we will have also things like a one-handed mode. So first of all, we have a sidebar here. We have quick access and so on if you're using the phone with one hand, or we have a one-handed mode. If I swipe down here the home button, then I have everything here on a mini screen. I can play games also on this mini screen and so on. So a very useful tool. And we have also some camera features here. Like with Samsung add here a fun mode. So that means if I look more beautiful than here on the screen, or I have here I have some icons like a bear. I can look a bit like a princess and so on. So there are so many things. We have a portrait mode here with blurred features and so on. And we have also the camera mode here, by the way. On if you go here on more, we will have also this Bixby Vision thing, so you can translate stuff with and so on, and just copy texts and so on. Very useful for studies and holidays and so on. So I can really recommend this features. I will make in the next days also tips and tricks videos and so on to show you it a bit more detailed. And yeah. This has been the hands-on here and the quick unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I could give you a little impression for the A53 here of Samsung. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up, because this is very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, as I said, I have already some other videos with tips and tricks and so on. And yeah, you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.